The 7 Rules of Money by A.J. Jacobs, book summary, offers practical, actionable advice for individuals seeking to improve their financial literacy and management skills. By following these rules, we can cultivate a healthier relationship with money, leading to financial security and peace of mind. This summary will outline each rule in detail. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before paying any bills or expenses, allocate a portion of your income to savings or investments. This builds wealth over time. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts to ensure consistency and discipline in saving. By paying yourself first, you prioritize your long-term financial health over immediate spending desires. Rule 2. Live below your means. Embrace a lifestyle that costs less than your income. This involves careful budgeting and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Learn to differentiate between essential needs and discretionary wants to make informed spending decisions. Living below your means helps build a safety net for unexpected expenses and reduces financial stress. Rule 3. Invest wisely. Familiarize yourself with various investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Spread investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Compounding interest over time can significantly increase wealth. Rule 4. Avoid bad debt. Differentiate between good debt, investments that generate income, and bad debt, high-interest consumer debt. Use credit responsibly, paying off balances in full to avoid interest charges and maintain a good credit score. If you have bad debt, develop a strategy for paying it off efficiently, prioritizing high-interest debt first. Rule 5. Plan for retirement. Start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest and employer matching contributions. Familiarize yourself with retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, understanding their benefits and tax implications. Define clear retirement goals, estimating the amount needed for a comfortable retirement and creating a savings plan to achieve them. Rule 6. Protect your wealth. Evaluate and obtain appropriate insurance coverage, health, life, property, to safeguard against unexpected financial setbacks. Establish an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses to provide a financial cushion in case of emergencies. Consider the importance of wills, trusts, and estate planning to ensure your wealth is distributed according to your wishes. Rule 7. Keep learning. Stay informed about personal finance, investment strategies, and market trends through reading, courses, and seminars. Seek guidance from financial advisors or mentors to enhance your financial knowledge and decision-making. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. Be open to new ideas and adapt your strategies accordingly. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to get latest videos for happy and prosperous life lessons. Call +1 946 736 0506 or visit www.mindcareerexcellence.com for online DMIT test. Your fingerprints discover your inborn, God-gifted talents, skill sets, personality, behavior, learning style, stream selection after 10th and right career options. Thank you.